Right, okay, here we go again. This is the mirror slash camera itself. There's it from that angle, and let's try and get it from that angle. That is the camera on the back as well, and it's kind of got straps to attach it to my existing mirror. On the bottom, it's got a button there to turn it on, and on the top, let's see if we can get that angle down. Yeah, there we go. You can see you've got like a headphone jack there, the memory card slot, if I just poke that out and show you there. And I think that's about it, to be honest. And you got this USB plug, and it's this one, the same one that they used for the PS3 controllers back in the day. Right, and it's yeah, significantly bigger than the mirror I had in here in the first place. Let's turn the ignition. There we go. And that is turned on as well. There we go. And let's make sure that the camera's working. Right, seems pretty legit. You can also angle the camera with that lens at the back there, so you know, make sure you can angle it to the left or angle it down, angle it right a bit more, just so it's catching all the road that you want it to catch. Now when you want to put the screen on standby so you can actually use your rear view mirror, you can just do that, press the button on the bottom, and it will go back to rear view mirror mode. If you want it back on for whatever reason, you can do that. You can see that it is recording in the top left there. Let me just go into the settings for you now. So you got picture mode, just show you that there if you ever want to take a picture with your car. You got playback mode if you want to play back anything that you've recorded with sound, I have to admit. Let's try this one. You can't really tell that it's playing back because I've been standing still all this time. But there's some footage of me having my car lights on. Yeah. In fact, let me just get some footage of me actually doing some stuff, so you guys can actually see that it is legit. Alright, just done a quick little spin in my car. Let's see what the footage looks like. There we go. Looks alright. Looks alright. A bit fuzzy. Wonder if it'll look better on my computer. Maybe I can try and upload something.
Well, it picks up all the other license plates. Because we're at night time right now, I've no doubt that it can show the good picture in the day. But
yeah,
we'll see how it does.
Got a lot of glare from the oncoming lights though.
So hopefully I'm not just talking.
Yeah, pretty much you can see what's going on there.
The road sign on the left there.
Looks alright.
Roads.
And I'll just quickly show you the settings as well. So go into settings, video settings, you got resolution, okay, loop recording, exposure, motion detection, audio, date stamp, G sensor, park mode. There we go. Resolution, what can we have that go up to? Oh, that is the highest already. 12 megapixel. What else have we got? Sharpness, strong, very strong and sharp. Okay. And yeah, those calm settings there, and other settings. Night vision. Okay. Auto power off. Yeah, I guess so if it's not being used. Screensaver. Okay. Beep sound. Language, frequency, volume, high. And yeah, just the date settings and stuff like that. So yeah, seems pretty cool. And if I turn it off now, turn off the ignition, then that should, yeah, power off soon. There we go, and that's powering off. It also comes with this little camera thing here, but I haven't had chance to plug it in because it looks very confusing. Like, why is one of the wires missing? Or I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be like that. I'm not too sure. I'm not really on this car thing like that. So yeah, we're gonna have to have a look and see how to plug this in. I'll give you guys an update when that's done. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you. Leave a thumbs up if this helped. Bless.